Hey guys, so we just got here at Greenbelt 5 because we're about to pick up a new pair of sneakers that we won through a raffle over at Commonwealth. I'm excited to see what it looks like in person, and yeah, can't wait to show you guys. Peace. Hey guys, for today we're about to unbox the newly released Nike Air Force 1 Travis Scott's, or better known as the Cactus Jack colorway, that released over at Commonwealth here in the Philippines and also over at Titan 22 today, November 16, 2019. But before we get right into the pairs, I just wanted to show you guys how we basically joined the raffles for us to be able to win these pairs. Okay, so for Commonwealth, you have to purchase something from their store. Any purchase from their store will entitle you to 1 raffle ticket. But if you purchase something that's worth around 3,000, you'll get 2 raffle tickets. And anything over 5,000 will entitle you to 3 raffle tickets. So you know me, I have to purchase something worth 5,000 pesos because, syempre, what are the odds of winning with just 1 raffle ticket, diba? So, with that, I purchased this pair right here. We purchased the newly released Vans Rude collab. And funny thing is, actually this was a cup date release, and ito yung mga unclaimed pairs sa Commonwealth. And naka-display doon, so sabi ko, why not just get the rare pairs na rin na mga mahirap din naman na mahanap. I mean, these really have no value aftermarket, pero why not get the ones that are nice na rin, diba? That I can keep for the personal. So ito right here, we have the Vans Rude collab. So unbox natin. Here we go. And so if you guys don't know what Rude is, it's basically a designer brand, somewhat similar to Fear of God. So the designer is actually a Filipino, Luigi Villaseñor, if you guys don't know. Make sure that you do your research. Search it on Google. And so siya yung nag-design na itong Vans pair na to. And the inspiration for these are actually license plates. And if you guys can see that, dami yung mga license plate. And Rude nakasulat. I mean, it looks similar to a Vans old school, pero he put his own twist to it. So ayan, ang ganda. This retailed for around 7,000 pesos, 6,998, and that entitled me to join the raffle for the newly released Travis Scott Air Force 1s. And so may tatlo tayong raffle tickets, and luckily one of it was chosen earlier during the live raffle. So ayun, 1 win na kagad for purchasing this pair right here. So more raffle tickets. I mean, so as you guys can see, we have 1, to 3 paper bags right here. It's because, I mean, most of the raffle entries that we applied for, including my cousin, my dad, was able to get a pair as well. And yung mga binili namin was, like this shirt right here, which retails for around 2,500 pesos. And, again, another Stussy shirt. And, may magandang na design sa likod. Again, for 2,500 pesos. So, itong dalawa, again, another 3 tickets. Itong cap na to, Stussy. You guys can see that. Actually, ang dami namin binili, mga Crep Protect and all that. It's because, I felt like chances of winning were better as compared to an open for all raffle. Like, what Titan did. They just gave out a link and then everyone can basically join. Sama mo lahat ng lolo mo, lahat naman kasi libre. Lalagay mo lang email, lalagay mo lang yung mga contact number. So, with that, syempre, wala tayong napanalunan with Titan because open for all. So, sobrang hirap manalo doon. But with this type of raffle from Commonwealth, better chances of winning tayo because lesser people are willing to spend because syempre not everyone has the money naman to burn mga random items just to be able to join a raffle na wala namang guarantee na mananalo. But yeah, ako naman, I'm looking for t-shirts rin, so might as well buy some hype t-shirts and yeah, just hope for the best na manalo again sa another raffle. So that's it, guys. Yun yung mga binili natin to be able to get these pairs right here. So that was before the release date. And if you guys know, ngayon may ano na tayo, may Nike sneakers website na tayo. So usually the day itself around 10 AM nagre-release ng mga hype pairs na rin. I'll put a screenshot on the screen right now to show you guys kung ano yung sinasabi ko. So kaninang 10 AM actually nag-release din sa Nike website here in the Philippines yung Travis Scott Air Force Ones, and unfortunately hindi tayo nanalo again, hindi tayo nabunot. But I'm here to share with you guys some unboxings of the pairs that I was able to get from the Nike sneakers website rin. And right here we have this black Nike box right here. So this is the Nike React Element 55 Kendrick Lamar's, and if you pop the box open, this is what the pair looks like. And super ganda niyang pair. Sa kabila, it's black and it's like a moon design, moon landing design, and super ganda. It's an Element React 55, so you know it's comfortable. So, and that's one win that we were able to get from the Nike website here in the Philippines. Some other releases that we were able to get from the Nike website is this pair right here, and super funky ng box. And if you guys look at the size tag, we got a size 9.5, which is a half size bigger than my true to size because this is a basketball sneaker. This is the Kyrie 6 Preheat, and this colorway is actually the Manila colorway. So if you guys haven't seen the video, I think Titan posted, super ganda na story behind this pair. We were part of the 11 countries that Kyrie selected para gawan ng colorway ng Nike basketball. And ito yung Manila colorway. So ang ganda ng story niya, ano siya, it reminds you of the courts here in the Philippines, yung mga street style basketball court natin. And we have the sun sa flag natin, and ang ganda ng mga details. So I really had to cop this pair as a like solid memorabilia basketball sneaker, solid collectible. So ayan, keeping this for the personal, Nike Kyrie 6 Manila. And lastly, one last pair that we were able to win over at the Nike sneakers website is again this funky box, So you guys already know this is another Kyrie 6 Preheat. And I actually forgot what this is called. But here's the colorway. And ang ganda rin. So this released over at the Nike website. Hindi siya nag-release sa mga Nike Park. Hindi siya nag-release sa Titan. So I think this is another country. I'm not sure what it is. Pero and if you guys can see that, it says 11/11, which was the date that this pair released, if I'm not mistaken. Ayan, XDR tag na naman. I think you guys are wondering. I mean, some people are assuming that pairs that has the XDR tag is already fake. It's not. That's not the case actually. Pero, ayan, super ganda. So XDR means extra durable rubber right there. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo siya pang laro outside, mga cement courts. And hindi siya mabilis mapudpud. So, that's the meaning of XDR, if you guys are wondering. Pero ayan, Kyrie 6 Preheat. So, that's the last from the Nike sneakers website. Now, it's time for the moment you guys been waiting for. Right here, we have this Commonwealth bag. And if you guys check out the inside of the bag, we have this really cool cream colored Nike box with this light blue Nike logo. And if you guys look behind, we have the Cactus Jack logo there. We have like this design right here. Ito. And if you guys check out here, it says the Nike Air Force 1 Travis Scott Cactus Jack. And we got this in my true to size, which is a size 9. And I really like the attention to detail of the box pa lang. And super ganda. Super laki. And yeah, if you guys pop the box open, you'll see this paper. It says Cactus something. I don't know how to read it. I'm sorry. You guys can see it not right now. And yeah, if you guys pop the box open, here's what the pair actually looks like. So ayan, ano yung mga tali, because kanina sa store sa Commonwealth, if you guys are picking up your pairs, you are required to fit the pair para ma-avoid yung mga resellers, para makita kung size mo talaga yung kinukuha mo and all that. But yeah, I'll be keeping this for the personal. If you guys can see how nice the details are, and iba-iba yung quality. I mean, iba-iba yung material na ginamit. We have suede over here. We have like this denim part right here. Then may mga canvas. Ang ganda, super ganda. And if you guys check out the other side right here, wow. Then yung toe box right there. Ganda ng leather quality. It's tumbled leather, so you already know it's very squishy, very plush. And yeah, something that's throwing me off with this design is this cover for the laces right here. Pero this is actually optional. You can pwede mo siya tanggalin. I mean, naka-ano lang siya sa laces right there. If you guys can see that. Pwede mong tanggalin. So, optional lang siya. It's just a design. Pero, yeah. If ako, I'll rock this pair. I'll remove this because I don't think it fits my style. I just like the classic Air Force 1 look. Pero, ayan. If you guys see that, this is the newly released Travis Scott Air Force 1 Low Cactus Jack. So leave your thoughts down below. What you guys think of the pair? Was it easy to cop? Were you able to cop? Was it a hard cop? Leave down below. I'll answer some questions. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, please leave a like. I'll show you guys some other pairs that we were able to get. Para maniwala kayo, we were able to get a few pairs. Bam. And again, same box. Cactus Jack logo. That hard to read records something. Oh, it says Cactus Jack pala right there. And this is a size 5.5. Women's size 7. And this is actually Bianca's pair right here. Nanalo rin siya. we bought her some Stussy shirts as well para matchy kami when we go to Japan at the end of the year. And yeah, luckily everyone that actually joined this size right here, 5.5, we had 22 winners. So she had 3 raffle tickets. So 3 raffle tickets, 22 winners. Sobrang laki ng chance kaya manalo, guys. And luckily everyone that actually joined size 5.5 was able to win a pair for retail. So super sulit nun, guys, kasi if you guys know, the resale market for this pair right here is actually around 35,000 na. And yung biniling t-shirt ni Bianca was around 2,500 pesos only. And yun, super sure pair na makakakuha ka nito. So parang binili niya lang to ng 10,000 with a free shirt. So that's not bad, diba? That's a good investment. And yeah, she got a hype pair right here. She has the newly released Cactus Jack Air Force 1 low. And lastly, a pair that my cousin won. Shout out to you. And shout out to you, bro. Size 9. Cactus Jack Air Force 1 again. Same details around the box. Cactus Jack. That cool little something records. And if you guys pop the box open, it's the same thing as the pair earlier. And Cactus Jack Nike Air Force 1. So again, if you guys enjoyed this types of video, please leave a like. It lets us know if you guys are really liking these types of unboxing videos, this pickup videos, and how to join raffles. Make sure to join the raffle for the Squidward Tentacles Kyrie 5 because I'll be extending it until the end of the year. If we hit 10,000 subscribers, I'll be choosing a winner for that pair. And yeah, make sure that you subscribe, leave a like, and yeah, comment down below about your thoughts about this pair right here. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace, God bless.